I'm a cooking machine. I have the bread in the oven. Now, I could not find a loaf pan, so I have it in a round pan, but it's actually raising. That's cool. And so I'm going to make for supper tonight keto pizza. I do the cauliflower crust. It is so easy. I do a bag of the grated mozzarella, a bag of this, put it in my big yellow bowl that actually was my mom's for my whole childhood. It's had everything in here. It's had baked beans, actually for potlucks, and it would hold the stuffing at Christmas, and just, you know, Oliver cookies were baked in this, and actually I just made some wheat cookies in it the other day. If she was still here, she'd be proud. So, okay, so you put the cheese and the cauliflower in there and an egg, mix it all up with your hand, put it on a piece of parchment, bake it after the bread comes out. I'm excited about the bread. I may have a sandwich, a bacon sandwich. Okay, so, and then you cook the crust till it's all bubbly and all golden brown, and then put any pizza toppings that you want. This is an awesome way to eat. And I'm sad that I had a cheat. And I just made that rhyme. But you know what? Today is a new day. There's only going to be keto bread in this day. Keto on.